Hi everyone, this is David from Bench-Mark. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a new job in MicroSurvey FieldGenius 10. I'm using here a Mesa 2 rugged tablet. So the first thing you're going to see when you open FieldGenius is the project manager, and that's going to show you your jobs in the current folder. And I can change which folder by clicking up top, scrolling through. I can create a new job in any of these folders. I just have to choose it. Then when I want to create a new job, I'm going to go down and click on New Project. And that will bring me to the new project screen. I can give it a name, I'll just call it test, and I can change all the settings by clicking on the project settings button. So I can change my units, I can set a scale factor, I can set a coordinate system. If your coordinate system is not listed in the list, you can simply click on edit list, add to list. You can add a predefined, you can create your own. And just selected there, I'm going to back out. You can use project templates by clicking on project files. And if you have any other information you'd like to attach to the job, you just put it under project information. Once all that's done, I'm just going to click on OK. And that will just give me the option of connecting to the last instrument I was connected to. My job is now created and everything is good to go. I just have to set up my equipment and do the survey. So if you have any questions about today's video, just give us a call at 1-888-286-3204. or visit our website at www.bench-mark.ca. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.